Sales proposals are getting a high-tech makeover as businesses turn to automation and AI to boost efficiency and close deals faster. For more, I'm joined by Luis Ridlin, founder and CEO at Peppermint IT. Luis, so great to have you on the show. Let's talk about the traditional ways that sales proposals are generated and what is the problem with that? How can automation help?
Hi, and thank you. It's lovely to be here. So traditionally, there's a number of ways that sales proposals are generated. They often start from a Word document. You might have your pricing in an Excel sheet or a Google sheet. Usually then they are PDF'd and sent to the client. So there's not a whole lot of interaction. It's we create this, we give it to you, you sign it, and then you send it back. So it's the whole operation is fairly static, and usually, aside from a template, pretty manual each time.
Yes, and let's talk about how AI and automation can speed that process up.
Yes. So AI and automation has made a huge difference to the way that we can prepare sales proposals these days. Starting from the beginning of your pipeline through to your sales and your CRM, assuming that you've got a CRM that manages your leads to your sales and is connected through to a number of different applications now that can prepare interactive sales proposals that go out to your clients. If they're integrated into your CRM, they can pull the data. For example, at Peppermint IT, we do some hardware sales, we have managed service sales, and we also then do project work. So if we're doing a hardware sale, for example, our proposal application will look at the quote within our system, and it will pull in all of the hardware items into a beautiful looking, almost like a website interactive presentation that we can send then to the customers. The other advantage of that now, apart from it being interactive, integrated, and then sent to the client, is that we can now see when the client's opened it, how they've interacted with it, what their engagement level is like, and then that all then comes back into the CRM as an end result.
Amazing. It's all very, very smart technology and definitely takes out that sort of tedious nature of building these forms in the past. Mm-hmm. Now, what should businesses watch out for when they're integrating these AI systems?
There's a lot of different applications available. The most important thing when you're looking for integration is to go to the settings part of the website and look at what integrations it has to your particular CRM.
Right. Yeah.
So depending on whether you're using Salesforce or HubSpot or Zoho, you want to make sure that the integration package will connect into your software so that it will read backwards and forwards and really integrate that whole process for you.
Great, and we mentioned this before about monitoring results. What is the best way to monitor those results?
Yeah. Again, once your application is integrated into your CRM, there's two ways, because what you're doing then is you've sent the proposal to the client. The client then, when you open it, every single time they open it, you'll get a notification. So you can then start to track and monitor how your proposals are being read, how they're being interacted with, and what level of engagement your client has with those proposals. And that really then informs you how well you're doing and how you can be changing or updating or fixing up some of those components on the proposal.
Yeah, amazing, Luis. And do you think that this shift is going to be changing the role of the human salesperson? Obviously, AI is changing everything, but what role will it impact for those salespeople?
Absolutely not. People buy from people.
Yes.
And people connect to people. So you can have the most beautiful presentation in the world, and ours is beautiful, but without my knowledge and without me having a human connection or our salespeople having a human connection and really understanding deeply our clients' needs, it doesn't matter how good your sales proposal is, and AI can write it for you, but we're interacting with humans, and we need trust, and we need, that needs to be a connection between us and the client. So AI is helping us speed up the process and speed up how many people we can serve and how many people we can talk to. It's not replacing the human touch of connection.
Fantastic. Yep. Love to hear that. Amazing stuff, Luis. If people want to get in touch with you, your team, where's the best place to go?
Yep. You can go to our website, Peppermint IT, and use the contact us button, and we will get in contact with you straight away.
Very, very well said by you, Louise. Thank you so much for your time here on Ticker and sharing those insights.
Welcome.
Great, fantastic breakdown from you. Really appreciate your time.
All right, thank you. All right, see ya.